Hello Playmo pals and welcome back to another Playmo AF unboxing and review video. Today we are taking a look at the Volkswagen Beetle.
Gear 5 man, my name's Paul.
I cannot begin to tell you just how excited I am.
I am so excited. I'm really excited. I can't believe how excited I am. And I can't believe that you believe that I'm that.
Anyway, this was a Walmart find. It was on clearance and it was the only one left on the shelf. Surprisingly, somebody was nice enough to leave me this package to pick up. And that's exactly what I did. And here we are. This is set 70177 and we're going to take a look at everything for you. So here we have the front of the package. I've done enough talking about it, so let's move on. Here's one side. Here's the other side. Here's the back. Beep beep. Here's the top. And here's the bottom. And that, my friends, is all the packaging details you're going to get in this video. I want this thing open right now. Oh my golly, look at this craziness. This is insane.
Spawn, bones. What is this insanity? Damn it, Jim, I'm a doctor, not a used car salesman. Fascinating.
Okay, guys, so here is our Volkswagen Bug, and the accessories kind of spilled out here. We're going to get to the clickies in a bit. There wasn't a whole lot to assemble. I went ahead and put on the stickers. The bumpers were already on there, and I put on the wheels and the hubcaps, and we got to get the roof in order. I don't think, yeah, there's nothing. Did I put the steering wheel in? I don't remember. Anyway, we got to put the trunk on. Here's the engine. That's a pretty nifty looking thing there. But yeah, we're going to take a look at this as soon as we get things assembled. So to go along with our car, we got a beach umbrella. Here's a sand mound. So the pole is where the the hole is where the pole would go. And then there's two sections here that are flat. And you can put your sandcastle mold on either one of the sections here. So you got this right here, which just nicely fits into the hole, or in this section here. Then we have a very small bucket. This is perfect for the child clickies. Then there are two sand tools. We've got like a little rake tool, and then of course a shovel. I'm not taking these out of the bag ever until I need them, which I don't know when I'm going to need them, because I don't plan on building any sandcastles myself with tools this small. And then we have our towel, and that's pretty much it. Let's move on to the clickies. All right, let's take a look at our male clicky here. Look at him.
Peace and love, everybody.
He is really kind of cool. He's a cool dude. I love this Hawaiian shirt he's got on, and this random striped t-shirt underneath. I wouldn't have put him with jeans, but I guess it kind of fits the part here. And I love that hair. That's really cool. He is one cool dude. And then check it out. He's got a girlfriend.
Hello, boys.
She's not nearly as decked out as he is, but that's kind of cool. I guess she's more straight-laced and keeps the other guy, this guy, in line. She's got a little ribbon in her hair, bracelet, and she's wearing denim shorts. And then we got our little kid clicky. Look at this. I love the green and the gray combination.
Hey guys, what's up?
I really like the Real Love design on his shirt. Reminds me of that Beatles song that came out in the 90s. His hair's a little messy, and that's okay, because he wears a visor, a sun visor. And it fits sort of nicely on his head. I noticed lately that these kind of just fall off. and it's like the loop is a little too big, and it just kind of just falls over his head, and you lose the grip there. But yeah, I fasten it underneath this little section of the hair, the little lip, and so it kind of stays on a little bit better. You just got to be careful when holding it, because you can push this down and it'll, whoops. Because when you push, if you grab the head to, if you pick him up and you handle him where you push the visor down, it'll go right through his head, or his head will go right through it rather, and he'll just be wearing a visor around his neck.
And nobody wants that.
No, we don't.
So yeah, here is our clicky family. They're really cute, and I can't wait to get them inside the car.
Okay, so let's get them inside the car. We're going to lift up the arms and bend the legs just a little bit there. And then we're going to put him, we're going to fit him right underneath the steering wheel. Push him down, he fits right in. I'm going to put one hand on the window here, and then one hand on the steering wheel. And voila, whoops, voila-ish. There he goes, and he's not going to be watching the road.
Good luck with that trip there, buddy. Next, we're going to put Betty on the passenger seat. Betty, because she reminds me of Betty from the Archie shows. Alright, we're going to have her sitting down. We need to angle her legs too. And then have her arms forward so that she fits in nicely into the passenger seat. And then once she gets inside, we can push her arms down, and she's fitting just perfectly into that passenger seat. Finally, we have our little boy Clicky. We don't need to do a whole lot. We are going to move his hands forward just a little bit, and we're going to bend his legs completely at a 90-degree angle. And because there's not a whole lot we need to worry about when putting him inside the car.
Except for his visor coming down, like I didn't want it to happen. Jeez.
We have to fit his legs into the little notch that holds the clickies together and keeps them from moving about all over the car.
And finally, we put on the luggage rack the other way. And boom. Whoops. Hold on. And boom. What?
This is right? Doesn't look right. Maybe it is the other way. Oh, look at that. And voila. Now we can go on our vacation. And so ends another review and unboxing of a Playmobil item. This is set number 70177, the Volkswagen Beetle. We hope you guys enjoyed it. We've got so much more on the way. Thanks for watching, everybody. Please like this video, subscribe if you haven't, and follow us on Instagram. You can find us at playmo.af. Guys, we had a lot of fun with this one. Hope you did too. We will see you next time right here on Playmo AF. Bye-bye.